Well, I'm going to go over this high precision multimeter and high precision clamp meter from the company ANENG. Now, I've been needing to get a new multimeter, but I decided to go ahead and get a clamp meter with this also. And I'm just going to put these two to the test right here. I've already had them out and used them a couple times, and I'm just going to show you some of the usage that you can do with this. First off, let's go over the multimeter. That's why it's out of the box here. You get the two probes just like this. I really like how it has the probe holders and then the tips that go on each one of these. You guys see that? So they've got these sharp tips right there, and they're actually very sharp tips. Now, what I'm going to do is just test a little battery right here for you. You're going to have to take a screwdriver, open it up, put the batteries in, but it does come supplied with two AAA batteries. So let's go over to the battery test. You can see right here, it's got battery 12, 9, and 1.5. So let's go 12 volt battery right here and see where we are at. So testing out the battery. It looks like we are at 12.52 volts, and it's supposed to be 12.8, so I do need a little bit of a charge on this thing. You can also test out 9-volt batteries. Let me grab a 9-volt battery for y'all real quick. This one is at 8.62. Y'all see that? 8.7 on that, so it is a little bit low, but it's got enough to run something. So there's your DC, there's your AC volts, there's your microfarad, there's your ohms. So you've got a wide variety, and you've got milliamps down here. You can move it over here and put it on amperage. You've got a hold feature and a select feature. Pretty handy item. I think this will do everything that I need it for. And right here is the clamp meter. Now the clamp meter actually came with a bag with it. So check this out. It's actually everything contained in this bag. Now, I won't need a lot of these. I'll go ahead and put it on there, but I'm not going to be using a lot of these kind of attachments on my clamp meter. So let's go ahead. Let's put the probes on here. Here's all the different probes you get with this. This one's very handy right here because it's got such a wide variety of probes. It can actually do the service of both of these, a multimeter and a clamp meter. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to use it on my solar panel cables. Now, if you're going to be using a power, wall outlet that's AC, and that's what that level right there is, you've got continuity on this one, and then you've got amperage there, and then the non-CV. So let's go ahead. Let's put the probes on here and let's do a battery test on this one. We put it on DC voltage. You see right there, we are at 12.45 volts on our battery right there. AC's right there. I don't have anything for AC. Okay, so I've got this little inverter here. I've got the voltage on. So let's test out the voltage on this thing. Look at that, everybody, 120 volts coming out of this inverter right here. I don't see any issues with this meter at all. I think these are mandatory for anyone that's going to be doing any type of electrical work, whether it's around the house, on a car, or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on my little ANENG, clamp set and multimeter set. See you on the next video.